What is going on, everybody out there? It is your boy CryptoMykel here, coming to you today with a hardware update, guys. We are going to go over of course, the same semi-problematic rig that we've always had, the RepTech board, Project Darkwing. Not really a problem anymore, but I would like to try and update the drivers without it throwing, the malfunction errors that we were getting before. Of course, that was before we added the A2000s onto the same rig, of course, but I want to update the drivers, that way I can try and utilize better hash rates for the 3060s. Right now, we're using T-Rex version 25.12. That's really as far as we can go, all right, because we are, pull this up over here, we're using current drivers 470.82. we need to be running 510, and we need to be running the stable drivers, right? But we can't, we are hashing. Of course, we don't show memory temps here on the dashboard because we're not running the current kernel version of HiveOS right here. Version kernel I think is 5.12 right now, but we can't go higher than 5.10 due to some error that causes malfunction errors for 3060s, or mainly 3000 series GPUs. And apparently this was a problem with the version 1s and the version 2s. So it has to be something to do with the actual RepTech itself. Maybe there's a BIOS update out there somewhere that might have a better understanding. But as of I know right now, I have the current version of the BIOS, and it doesn't help. So now I would like to go over into here and update the drivers. It's pretty simple. So we're just gonna press Control AD, right? Miner stop. All right, so now we're just gonna try NVIDIA driver update list. Like to see the versions available. So we're on 470.82. So I'm curious if we will be able to install current without updating the kernel. So current is 510.6. That is there. 510.6. There is 510.54 and 510.47.03. Now if we go here, oh, scared me. I thought it updated. I was like, oh no. Now we will be able to run this. Just gotta make sure we have the right RAN drivers. 465. So LOL miner. Oh no, that's BZ miner. Psych, right there. So 510.6 is the drivers that we need to use. All right, so currently, yep. Okay, so we're not mining. All right, so we'll install 510.60.02. That is current stable version of drivers. So try that, and hopefully we'll have some luck. So Hive's servers are still down. Like, well, not down, but definitely not working correctly. As you can see, like right here, it sat at like 2% for quite a while, and it was over an hour and 44 minutes before it was ever gonna do anything. So went ahead and canceled it. I'm gonna let Hive servers redo its stuff. I know that the day of the great migration, which was back on Friday the 13th, right, was the migration. and a lot of users were actually trying to move their rigs and trying to update to the newest Hive and the newest drivers, and they were updating their servers, and a lot of their servers actually had a lot of issues. So I guess that we're still having issues via, this is offline, but I know it's not. I was like, it's offline. No, it's not. I'm inside the shell. But so I guess our servers are still off for the time being. And yeah. So we'll revisit this once the servers come back online. So I'll see you when that happens. Yeah. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification, so you know every time that I go live here on the channel. I would greatly appreciate it, guys. You're all amazing. Hope you all have a fantastic and wonderful day wherever you are. And we should see you in a couple of days. If not, in the next day or so. Yeah.